Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. Today is December 5th. It is 10:33 a.m. I'm about to upload yesterday's video and I already made a thumbnail. All I have to do is just upload it, and I really hope you guys like the outro of my videos now. Like, I made it all cute and stuff, so just let me know if y'all like it. So the biscuits are ready, and all I have to do now is make eggs. And I'm watching Vlogmas Day 4. If you haven't watched that, go watch that vlog. So this is my breakfast. These are 2 biscuits with egg and cheese, and I got orange juice. My mom just got me hot chocolate with marshmallows, so cute. And we're watching my vlog right now. So right now it is 3 p.m. and I just got done doing my homework, and I'm going over to Haley's house. We're gonna go to Walmart and then go to Conanon. Guess where we're at? Walmart. So I'm here with your queen Haley and I'm here at Walmart. I'm gonna get some things. We're here at the mall. We just got our food. I got a burrito. I'm with Haley. So I'm here at Haley's house, and I'm so sorry that, you know, I didn't really vlog a lot today. I started off my morning very late and I had to do homework, so I don't really want to vlog me doing homework because that's kind of like boring. But me and Haley are gonna chill. Y'all, tomorrow I'm giving blood for my church, and I'm so scared. Like, y'all better pray for me. I'm here with my bestie Haley, and we're about to make some cookies. I was about to say brownies, but these are cookies. They're the Christmas kind. Look how cute. So we're gonna be baking. Oh my god. Quiet on set. Quiet on set. Let's just, I know we haven't cooked it yet, guys, but we just want to try one raw. It tastes good, huh? Alright. That was really good. So now we're gonna put them on. So now we're gonna put it in the oven. What do you rate the cookie? 1 out of 10. What do you rate it?
A solid 6.
The cookies are done. 6.5. Pretty good.
Just had to beat me, huh?
Yeah, I have to, Haley. So we did get some pizzas and ranch. This looks so good, y'all. I'm starving. It is 11:40 p.m. and I'm about to go to bed. Good night, guys. We love you.
Good night.